Hi friends, in this video we are solving problem on Jacobian. Given problem is if u is equal to 2xy, b is equal to x square minus y square, where x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. Then find Jacobian of u comma v with respect to r comma theta. You know that the Jacobian formula, that is Jacobian of u comma v with respect to r comma theta, we have a u differentiate partially with respect to r, u differentiate partially with respect to theta, and v is there, v differentiate partially with respect to r, v differentiate partially with respect to theta. This is the Jacobian between uv and r comma theta. Okay friends, so to find the Jacobian, what you required, you have to differentiate u partially with respect to r. But actually u is in terms of what? X comma y. And what about the v? V is also in terms of x comma y. You see friends, this problem we can do in two methods. First method I am going to explain. Method 1. In this method, you observe first u is a function of what? U comma v both are functions of x, y. X, y. Okay. And x is in terms of r comma theta, y is also in terms of r comma theta. So both the x comma y are in terms of r comma theta. Friends, you observe. Now, if you want to find the Jacobian of u comma v with respect to r comma theta, u should be in terms of what? R. And u also in terms of theta. So both the u v are in terms of r comma theta. But here you have u is a function of x comma y and x comma y are in terms of r comma theta. So in this case, what you have to do means substitute x value, y value in this equation. Then you will get directly u comma v are in terms of r comma theta. This is the method 1. Okay. In this case, you can do directly. You see how you can do. I am going to explain now. U is equal to 2 into what is the x value you have? R cos theta. R cos theta. And y is also there. What is the y? R sin theta. So u is equal to r into r square 2 cos theta sin theta. You can also say 2 into sin theta cos theta. This is nothing but a sin 2 theta formula. Yes or no? Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. So now u is in terms of what? R comma theta. Yes or no? Yes. Similarly, find out the v also. Now v is equal to what you have? X square minus y square. What is x here? R cos theta. So r square cos square theta minus what is the y? Y is equal to r sin theta. So r square sin square theta. So I can take r square is common from these two terms. Then I will have cos square theta minus sin square theta. This is equal to r square into, friends, we have a formula. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. What about the cos square theta minus sin square theta? Cos 2 theta. Okay friends, this is equal to, you can write cos 2 theta. Now you observe u is in terms of r comma theta, v is also in terms of r comma theta only. So can you find out dou u by dou r, dou u by dou theta, dou v by dou r, dou v by dou theta? Yes or no? Yes. Now I am finding ur is nothing but I am differentiating u partially with respect to r. This is containing one term only, that is r and theta both are having. So while differentiating with respect to r, you have to treat theta as a independent only. So independent is constant. Now r square derivative is 2r into what I have? Sin 2 theta. This is ur value. Okay. Now u theta means r square is a constant only. Remember, sin 2 theta derivative is cos 2 theta into inner derivative is 2. I am writing outside. Right. This is ur comma u theta. Now I want to find vr v theta. Yes or no? Vr means differentiate v partially with respect to r. Now here you have r and theta terms. So theta is a constant here. R square derivative is 2r into cos 2 theta. V theta is equal to r square is a constant here. Cos 2 theta derivative minus sin 2 theta into inner derivative 2. So minus 2 I am writing here sin 2 theta. Now you observe vr comma v theta also in terms of theta. Now you substitute ur u theta, vr comma v theta in the Jacobian. Then the Jacobian of u comma v with respect to r comma theta is equal to the determinant of, write down what is ur. Ur is equal to 2r into sin 2 theta. Okay. Next u theta is 2r square into cos 2 theta. Next vr. What is the vr I have? 2r cos 2 theta. Next v theta. V theta is minus 2 r square sine 2 theta. Now we need to find out the determinant, which is equal to, we know that ABCD determinant is AD minus BC. So 2r into, here you have minus 2r. Minus 2 into 2 means minus 4. R into r square is r cube. Sine 2 theta into sine 2 theta means sine square 2 theta. Is it or not? Yes. Next, minus. Okay, plus here I have to write minus this one into this one. Okay, BC. BC means 2 into 2. 2 into 2 means 4. R into r square. So r cube. Cos 2 theta into cos 2 theta means cos square 2 theta. So friends, you observe, from this I can take minus 4 common. I am getting r cube also common. So write an r cube common. Then you will have remaining terms what? Sine square 2 theta plus minus I have taken common. So plus cos square 2 theta. We know that sine square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. So you will get minus 4r cube. Therefore, the Jacobian of u comma v with respect to r comma theta is equal to minus 4r cube. This is direct method. What about the method 2? Method 2 is chain rule. Okay. Now I am going to explain method 2. Friends, now method 2 is, we need to find Jacobian of u comma v with respect to r comma theta. Actually, in the first method, what we have done, we have substituted x comma y values in u. Then finally you got u is in terms of r comma theta. But in this case, we are doing separately. Chain rule is nothing but first we have to find the Jacobian of u comma v with respect to x comma y first. So you observe, friends, Jacobian of u comma v with respect to x comma y. Later x comma y with respect to r comma theta. This is the chain rule. So Jacobian of x comma y with respect to r comma theta. So this value is equal to dou of u comma v. Okay, I will write directly the determinant. Okay, instead of writing dou of u comma v by dou of x comma y, right? Now this is equivalent to dou u by dou x, because u comma v are in terms of what? X comma y, and dou u by dou y. Next, dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y into, okay, into, now x comma y with respect to r comma theta. So dou x by dou r, dou x by dou theta. Okay friends, now dou y by dou r into dou y by dou theta. So you need to find out these partial derivatives, and if you are substituted in this, then you will get same answer. Okay, I am going to verify now. You can do any one of the method, friends. Just I have explained here normal method previously what we have done. Now I am in the method 2 chain rule I am applied. Okay, we have u is equal to 2xy, v is equal to x square minus y square. Now dou u by dou x, I am differentiating u partially with respect to x. Here you have only one term. This is containing x term. So what is the x derivative? 1. 1 into 2y is there. If remember friends, while differentiating partially with respect to one variable, we have to treat all other variables as a constant only. Okay, so 2y is a constant, x derivative is 1. Next I want dou u by dou x, dou x completed. Now dou u by dou y. So y is there, x is there. So 2x is a constant here, y derivative is 1. So 1 into 2x is 2x completed. Next I want v with respect to x, dou v by dou x. Here you observe, friends, two terms we have. First term is containing x term. What is the x term here? X square. So x square derivative is 2x minus second term is containing y term only, not containing x term. So it is independent of x. So this derivative will be 0. Next I want v with respect to y, means dou v by dou y. So this first term does not containing y term. So this derivative will be 0. And the negative sign here you have. Second term is containing y term alone. So y square derivative is 2y. Okay, now I want to find x with respect to r, x with respect to theta, y with respect to r, y with respect to theta. Okay, now dou x by dou r is equal to, here you have r and theta and only single term is there, so r derivative is 1 into cos theta. Okay, next dou x by dou theta I want. Here you have a two terms, one term only. Here you have one term, r is there. Okay, product of the terms means only single term is there, not like x square minus y square. Okay, now dou x by dou theta is there. R is a constant, cos theta derivative minus sin theta. Remember, this is negative. Next y r also, y r is dou y by dou r. What is the dou y by dou r? R is there, sin theta is there. So r derivative is 1 into sin theta is sin theta. Next dou y by dou theta. So y I am differentiating with respect to theta. So r is a constant. Sin theta derivative is cos theta. Yes, I got all the partial derivatives. Now I need to substitute in this determinant. Then the Jacobian of u comma v with respect to r comma theta is equal to the determinant of ux is 2y, uy is 2x, next vx is 2x, vy is minus 2y into next xr means dou x by dou r is here you have a cos theta, dou y by dou r is minus r sin theta. Next dou y by dou r is there. Okay, dou y by dou r is sin theta. This is dou x by dou theta, friends. Now dou y by dou theta is r cos theta. Okay, now I need to find out the determinant. Later I have to do simplification. Now 2 into 2 minus 2 is there, so minus 4 y into y square. Next here you have an 8 a here ad minus bc, so 2 into 2 4 x into x square. So this is, give a bracket for this later. Here cos theta into r cos theta, so r cos square theta. Next here you have actually minus we are taking, here you have already negative, so negative into negative positive. Okay, now r into sin theta into sin theta, r into sin square theta. Yes or no? R into sin square theta. Then you will have minus 4 is outside. Then this is x square plus y square. Of course y square plus x square or x square plus y square both will be same. Now I can take r is a common from this, so into product, remember. So what about the cos square theta plus sin square theta? 1. Now friends, you see actually u comma v should be in terms of r comma theta or constant, or maybe 0 or non-zero, but here you have x comma y terms. What is x square plus y square you have in the given problem? In the given problem you have x square plus y square. Are they given directly? No, but they are given x and y. So I need to find out x square plus y square. So I am finding, you see, x square plus y square value here, x square plus y square is equal to, what is x square? R cos theta whole square, nothing but r square cos square theta plus y square means r sin theta whole square, that is r square sin square theta. So I can take r square is a common, then I will have cos square theta plus sin square theta. So you will have r square. So x square plus y square value is r square. You substitute here. Then we will have the Jacobian value is minus 4 into r square into r. R square into r means r cube. So here also in this case Jacobian value is minus 4r cube. You observe both are same or not? So you can do in any method. So if they are mentioned clearly by using the Jacobian property chain rule, means you do the method. Otherwise you can do directly first method only. Right? If you want to note down, please note down, friends. Thank you for watching this video.